everyone, my name is Hasnidah Binti Manahing from SKU 4. Today I'm gonna show you how to do tamarind fish. Before I start, we'll need ingredients: 1 kg fish, 90 gram onion, 2 cloves garlic, 1 red chili, 10 gram salt, 10 gram sugar, 1 cup of tamarind juice, 55 oil cooking, and 1 cup water. Tools: we need bowl 9 units, pot 1 unit, chopping board 1 unit, knife 1 unit, and pan 1 unit. Then kitchen safety step: do not play with fire, wear safety boots in the kitchen, wear an apron when cooking, don't play with fire.
Everyone, my name is Azmina Cassanova from SKU 4. I want cooking tamarind fish. First, wash hand before cooking. And we need to help cooking the fish. Then cook the fish. Then hot fish finish the cooking. Second, put some oil cooking into a pot. After that, add 1 cup of tamarind juice into the pot and stir. After 5 minutes, add some salt and sugar. Last but not least, put the fish into the pot and let it simmer. Last, the dish is ready to be served. The tamarind fish is ready to be served. Enjoy!